of classification of the complexes. Classification of the complexes. In that first classification on the basis of type of ligands. Classification on the basis of types of ligand, means which type of ligand it is attached, and in that we are having the two. First, A, that is homoleptic complexes. The complexes in which metal ion is surrounded by only one type of ligands are homoleptic. See here, the complexes in which metal ion is surrounded by only one type of the ligand. मतलब हमारा जो मेटल रहेगा, सेंटर में जो मेटल आयन रहेगा, that will be surrounded by only one type of the ligand, and because the metal ion is surrounded by only one type of the ligand, they are called as homoleptic. Example, CO NH3 6 3 plus. See here, CO NH3 6 3 plus. So here you can say cobalt is surrounded by 6 ammonia molecule. Cobalt is surrounded by 6 ammonia molecule, and because all molecules are the same, it is called as a homoleptic ligand. Sorry, it is called as a homoleptic. This complex is called as the why? Because all ligands are the same. All ligands are the same. So what is homoleptic complex? The complexes in which metal ion is surrounded by only one type of the ligand. Metal ion is surrounded by only one type of the ligand are called as the homoleptic. So cobalt is surrounded by 6 ammonia, and all 6 ammonia are only one type of the ligand. All are a one type, and therefore it is called as the homoleptic complexes. Correct. We'll take the second example. Second type, that is heteroleptic complexes. Second one is heteroleptic complexes. Now heteroleptic means what? The complexes in which the metal ion the complexes in which the metal ion is surrounded by more than one type of ligands the complexes in which the metal ion is surrounded by more than one type of ligands are heteroleptic. Are heteroleptic. The complexes in which the metal ion, जो हमारा metal ion रहेगा, is surrounded by what? More than one type of the ligand. मतलब more than one type of the ligand, so they are called as heteroleptic. Example: CO, NH3 4, Cl2. इसके ऊपर चार्ज है, तो ये हमारा बना कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन in which cobalt is surrounded by four ammonia and 2. Cobalt is surrounded by 4 ammonia and 2 fluoride ligands. Correct. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? कोबाल्ट सेंटर में रहेगा, but cobalt is surrounded by 4 ammonia and 2 fluoride. So it is surrounded by more than one type of the ligand. So when it is surrounded by more than one type of the ligand, then they are called as heteroleptic. They are called as what? Heteroleptic. So when central, see what is the difference here? Central metal ion is surrounded by only one type of the ligand. When central metal ion surrounded by only one type of the ligand, it is called as the homoleptic. But if the central metal ion is surrounded by two types of ligand, two or more types of ligand, or more than one type of the ligand, then it is called as a heteroleptic, because here cobalt is surrounded by 4 ammonia, so 4 ammonia ligand and 2 chloride ligand. So because cobalt is surrounded by two different type of the ligand, it is called as heteroleptic. Okay, so the difference is clear. Homoleptic means what? Metal ion surrounded by only one type of the ligand, and heteroleptic means what? Metal ion is surrounded by more than one type of the ligand, so they are called as heteroleptic. Okay, now we'll go over the second. So this we have seen the classification on the basis of types of ligand. Classification on the basis of types of ligand. Ligands are same, it is called as homoleptic. If ligands are different, it is called as heteroleptic. Okay. Next. Second classification on the basis of charge on the complex. Classification on the basis of charge on the complex. मतलब complex के ऊपर कौन सा charge है, उसके ऊपर classification. So classification on the basis of charge on the complex. Which charge is there on the complex? The first one we are having here, that is cationic complex. Cationic complex. Now, what is cationic complex? Cationic complex means what? A positively charged coordination sphere. A positively charged coordination sphere or a coordination compound. Coordination compound or a coordination compound having a positively charged coordination sphere is called cationic complex. Here a positively charged coordination sphere, मतलब हमारा coordination sphere कैसा रहेगा? पॉजिटिव रहेगा. A positively charged coordination sphere or a coordination compound having a positively charged coordination sphere are called as cationic complex. मतलब अगर हमारा coordination sphere पॉजिटिव रहेगा तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? कैटायोनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स. या अगर कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड में हमारे पास पॉजिटिवली चार्ज कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर है, इट इज कॉल्ड एज कैटायोनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स. एग्जांपल देखो, Zn NH3 4 times 2 plus Zn NH3 4 2 plus. Now see here, it is positively charged complex ion, or we can say it is positively charged complex ion, or we can say it is positively charged coordination sphere. It is positively charged complex ion, और इट इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर. करेक्ट. तो ये जो हमारा कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन है उसके ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, और कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, इसलिए हम इसे क्या बोलेंगे? कैटायोनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स, कैटायन. करेक्ट. और पॉजिटिवली चार्ज कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर. Second, we can take the example. This is one example. Example 2, where cobalt NH3 5 times Cl SO4. Cobalt NH3 5 times Cl SO4. अगर यहाँ पे आप देखोगे, ये हमारा कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड है. ये हमारा कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड है. अब ये कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड क्या फॉर्म करेगा? CO NH3 5 Cl 2 plus and SO4 2 minus. देखो ये हमारा कंपाउंड क्या फॉर्म करेगा? CO NH3 5 Cl 2 plus and sulfate, and this is this is positively charged complex ion. So it is a, therefore it is cationic कॉम्प्लेक्स. करेक्ट. मतलब देखो यहाँ पे उन्होंने डायरेक्टली पॉजिटिवली चार्ज कॉम्प्लेक्स साइन दिया था, यहाँ पे उन्होंने कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड दिया. इस कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड में जो हमारा ये आयन बन रहा है, ये हमारा जो बन रहा है, ये कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन कैसा रहेगा? पॉजिटिवली चार्ज रहेगा. दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव सेड हियर अ पॉजिटिवली चार्ज कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर. ये और a coordination compound, ये coordination compound having positively charged coordination sphere. Coordination compound having positively charged coordination sphere are called as a cationic complex. मतलब in simple if complex ion carries a positive charge, then complex is called cationic कॉम्प्लेक्स. मतलब अगर हमारे कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, then that complex can be called as cationic complex. Okay. Next we'll go for anionic complex. What is anionic complex? A negatively charged coordination sphere. नेगेटिवली चार्ज मतलब क्या रहेगा? नेगेटिवली चार्ज कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन रहेगा और एक कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड having negatively charged coordination sphere is called anionic कॉम्प्लेक्स. मतलब या तो हमारे पास क्या रहेगा? नेगेटिवली चार्ज कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर रहेगा. हमारे पास क्या रहेगा? नेगेटिवली चार्ज कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर रहेगा, नेगेटिवली चार्ज. और अब इसका पहले एग्जांपल लेते हैं, नेगेटिवली चार्ज कॉम्प्लेक्स का एग्जांपल लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल NiCN4 2-. This is a negative complex ion. बराबर है. इट इज और नेगेटिव कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर. So it is a negative complex ion, so it is called as a anionic complex. It is called as a anionic complex. Then we will take the और क्या रहेगा, negatively charged coordination sphere. ये हमारा negatively charged coordination sphere है, इसीलिए हम इसे क्या बोलेंगे, anionic complex. और a compound, हमारे पास coordination compound रहेगा, हमारे पास कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड रहेगा, और उस कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड में क्या रहेगा, नेगेटिवली चार्ज कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर रहेगा. हमारे पास नेगेटिवली चार्ज हमारे पास कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड रहेगा, और उस कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड में क्या रहेगा, नेगेटिवली चार्ज कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर रहेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, ये एग्जांपल 1 है, K3 FeCN6, K3 FeCN6. अभी K3 FeCN6 क्या प्रोड्यूस करेगा, K3 FeCN6 will produce, one will go here and become K plus, one will go here and get K plus, and FeCN6, 3 will go here and becomes what, minus. 1 will go here and become plus 1, and 3 will go here and becomes what, minus 6. And see here, this is negative charge, complex. It is negative charge complex, negative charge complex, okay, negative charge complex, or it is called as a coordination sphere. It is called as a coordination sphere. Coordination sphere. Wait. Coordination sphere with a negative charge. Coordination sphere with a negative charge. Correct. So therefore, it is anionic complex. It is called as a anionic complex. ये हमारा anionic anion. So what is anionic complex? The complex ion which carry negative charge. The complex ion which carry negative charge are called anionic complex. The complex ion which carries the negative charge are called as the anionic complex. Correct. So we have seen two types of the complex. If the complex carries the positive charge. So if the complex carries the positive charge, then they are called as a cationic complex. And if the complex carries a negative charge, then they are called as a anionic complex. मतलब हमारे पास coordination compound रहेगा, but coordination compound क्या form करेगा, anionic complex form करेगा. So negative charge complex are called as what? Negatively charged complex are called as a anionic complex, or we can also called as the coordination sphere with negative charge, and coordination sphere with negative charge are called as what? Anionic complex, or simple The complex ion which carries the negative charge are called as the anionic complex. Okay. So we have seen with the cationic complex, we have seen with the anionic complex. Now third one. Third one is neutral complex. Neutral, or you can call them as the neutral sphere complex. Either you can call them as only neutral complex or you can call them as a neutral sphere complex. 1 minute. Classification based on the complexes. Here हमारा second classification था. So this is a cationic complex. Then here I will write B. This is anionic complex. And then neutral sphere complex. Neutral sphere complex. What is neutral sphere complex? Neutral coordination complex. Neutral coordination complex does not possess cationic or anionic sphere. The neutral coordination complex मतलब क्या? The complex which does not possess any cationic or anionic sphere. Example: platinum, NH3 twice Ca2. This is our complex. कुछ भी चार्ज नहीं से आयन नहीं लिखो. और is also called as, it is called as coordination sphere. इसे जस्ट खाली कॉम्प्लेक्स बोलना. अगर यहाँ पे चार्ज होगा पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव तो क्या लिख सकते हो? कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन लिख सकते हो. लेकिन खाली कोई भी चार्ज नहीं है तो यू विल बी कॉलिंग ओनली इट एज व्हाट? कॉम्प्लेक्स. देखो यहाँ पे अगर याद रहेगा तो यहाँ पे हम लोग ये हमारा कॉम्प्लेक्स नेगेटिव चार्ज कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन है. करेक्ट. ये हमारा पॉजिटिवली चार्ज कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन है. चार्ज है इसलिए. लेकिन यहाँ पे कोई भी चार्ज नहीं, इसलिए इसे खाली क्या लिखोगे? कॉम्प्लेक्स. और यू कॉल एज व्हाट? कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर. कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर, नो चार्ज. कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर does not carry any charge. Coordination sphere does not carry any charge. No charge on the coordination sphere. Second example, NiCO4. 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 It is also a complex, or it can say it is coordination compound. It is coordination compound with no charge on it. It is a coordination compound with no charge on it. Therefore, it is neutral sphere complex. It is neutral sphere complex. What is neutral sphere complex? The complex which does not carry any charge on it are called as neutral complexes. So what is neutral complexes? The complexes which does not carry any charge on it. The complexes which does not carry any charge on it are called as the neutral complex. जिस complex के ऊपर कोई भी charge नहीं रहेगा, जिस complex के ऊपर कोई भी charge नहीं रहेगा, they are called as the neutral complex. Correct? So we have seen the classification. क्या क्लासिफिकेशन था? पहला क्लासिफिकेशन था डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द लिगैंड. अगर सेम टाइप के लिगैंड रहेंगे तो होमोलेप्टिक, और अगर अलग टाइप के लिगैंड रहेंगे तो हेटेरोलेप्टिक. बाद में अगर हमारे कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन के ऊपर चार्ज रहेगा, पॉजिटिव चार्ज रहेगा तो कैटायनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स, नेगेटिव चार्ज रहेगा तो आयनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स, अगर कोई भी चार्ज नहीं रहेगा तो कोई भी चार्ज अगर नहीं रहेगा तो न्यूट्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स. करेक्ट? न्यूट्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स. So with this we'll stop it over here. Remaining part we'll do it in the next lecture.